same topic, that is KYC AML guidelines. Okay, so let's just start the session. And before starting the session, this is the information for all of you that right now the 81% discount with the double validity is going on all the Maha packs of the JAIB and CIB. Now, how to enroll? You can use the code Y496 and you will be getting this offer. 1% additional discount is available if you use the coins that is available on the application. Okay, so this is the offer. Now, how to enroll this offer? What does Maha pack actually means? I will let you know in the end of the session. Okay, so let's end here and let's continue the session, in which first question is talking about that. So AML KYC stands for anti-money laundering and know your customer, as you already know, Hana. So we know that banks or RBI or FATF all are trying to eliminate, Hana, the criminal activities from the banking or financial institutions. So that's what there is a guidelines given by the RBI or the FATF or the other authorities, Hana. So the first question is talking about when banks sell third-party products such as the insurance, mutual funds, etc. As agent, Hana, the responsibility for ensuring compliance with KYC, AML, CFT regulations lies with the bank marketing the product. Hana, regulations dash lies with the bank marketing the product. First option is saying that it lies with the bank marketing the product. Second is saying it lies with the third party issuer. Third is saying it lies with both the bank as well as the third party issuer. Fourth is saying it depends on whether the customer pays the money in cash or otherwise. Or fifth is saying it depends on the whether the customer is a walk-in customer. Okay, so which of the following is correct? So question is asking about when the bank is providing what? The third party product, Hana? When the bank is selling third party product. So as an agent, so the responsibility for ensuring the compliance with the KYC, AML, CFT regulation lies with which of the following? A, B, C, D or E? So obviously it lies with whom? It lies with the third party issuer. So the right answer will be your B option. Hana? The obligation for the compliance of the AML KYC CFT regulation, it lies with whom? It lies with the third party issuer. Okay, so B option is correct. Now the second question is talking about as per FIUIND, Financial Intelligence Unit, FIUIND guidelines, a bank has to mandatorily maintain records in case of suspicious transaction for a period of dash years from the date of cessation of the transaction between the client and the banking. So for how much period the bank has to maintain the data of the suspicious transaction? Is it 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years or 12 years? For how much duration bank has to maintain that data? Let me know. So the right answer for that particular question will be your D, that is 10 years. Very good. So the bank has to maintain the data for the 10 years whenever it comes to the suspicious transaction data. Okay, so record should be maintained for the next 10 years. Next, so right answer will be your D option. Third question is talking about that unusual activities in respect of customer's account are first, opening of account at a place other than the place of work. First. Second is saying frequent deposit of large sum of money bearing labels of other banks into the account. Third is saying request for closure of newly opened account where high value transactions are routed through. Then fourth is saying all of the above. So question is asking unusual activities, Hana, in respect of a customer's account are. So which of the following is known as, or which of the following will be identified as the unusual activity which is happening in the account of a customer? A, B, C or D? So which of the following is correct? A, B, C and D. Okay, so the right answer for this particular question will be obviously D. All these transactions are the doubted transaction. All these are the unusual transactions in the customer's account. So right answer will be your D option. Okay, next question. The fourth question is talking about branches should not open the deposit advances account of banned terrorist organization as circulated by. So we are saying that the bank branches should not open the deposit account or advances account of banned or terrorist organization as circulated by whom? By Adda, by SEBI, by AMFI, or by FIU. So ADA is simply Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, as we know. Then if I talk about the SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Third is AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Fund Institution. Then fourth is FIU, Financial Intelligence Unit. So the branches should not open the deposit advance account of the banned or terrorist organization which is circulated by whom? Obviously, ADA, SEBI and AMFI is nothing to do with this terrorist organization or the transaction that you have to ban in the organization. Right answer will be FIU IND, Financial Intelligence Unit IND. So right answer for this particular question will be your D option. Now the next question is talking about FATF is an. What does FATF stand for? That the question is asking, So FATF is an intergovernmental body of G7 group of countries, a policy making body which sets the standards to combat the money laundering and financing of terrorism. So FATF stands for which of the following? So FATF is providing us the definition, or FATF is helping us out to control what? To control the money laundering as well as your terrorism financing at the international level, not only in India, but at the international level. So A, B, C or D or E, which of the following is correct? First is saying fight against terrorist financing. Second is saying Financial Association Task Force. Third is saying Financial Action on Terrorist Financing. Fourth is saying Financial Action Task Force. Fifth is saying Financial Action Task Field. So which of the following is the right full form of FATF? Okay, so the right answer for this particular question will be Financial Action Task Force. The right option will be Financial Action Task Force. Very good. Now, next question is talking about the sixth question. As per KYC guidelines, as per the KYC guidelines, which one of the following customer is having high risk? So as per KYC guidelines, which of the following customer is having a high risk? Is it central government employee? Is it a state government employee? Is it a bank employee? Is it a small businessman? Is it a politically exposed person resident abroad? So which of the following customer has a high risk category? Has a high risk category on the banking sector? A, B, C, D or E. It is very obvious that the politically exposed person resident abroad or resident outside the country, that person will be counted as the high risk customer in the banking system, as per the KYC guidelines. Okay. Now the next question is talking about the cutoff limit of rupees 10 lakhs and above for aggregate cash deposit for reporting to FIU is. So what we are saying, that the cutoff limit of rupees 10 lakh and the above for aggregate cash deposit for reporting to FIU is per day, per month, per quarter, per half year, per year. Okay, so the cutoff limit of what? Of the cash transaction of 10 lakhs, or equivalent or more than that is reporting to FIU is per month. Every month you have to report the cash transaction report. The right answer will be B, and on the 15th or within the 15th of the succeeding month, you have to give that report to the FIU IND. Okay, so right answer will be B. Next Eighth question is talking about, do read it very carefully, though the question is very simple, but if you look at the question, you will find it that's a very tough question, है ना? But that's a very simple question. So do read it carefully. So the government of India has notified 6 documents as officially valid documents for the purpose of producing proof of identity. So choose the correct option from the following. Out of the following option, you have to find out that which particular group is correct in context to the officially valid document. First is Aadhaar card, passport, PAN card, employee ID, voter identity card, ration card. Second is saying PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, voter identity card, ration card, passport. Third is saying voter identity card, passport, PAN, Aadhaar, employee ID, Narega card. Okay. Fourth is saying passport, PAN, Aadhaar, driving, voter ID, Narega card. Narega is Manrega's, है ना? Manrega, have you heard? Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, है ना? That's the Narega card, in which 100 days employment guarantee will be provided. Guaranteed employment will be provided. Fifth is saying employee ID, passport, PAN card, driving license, photo passbook of bank or post office, then Aadhaar card. So which of the following is the officially valid document, 6 officially valid document that has been defined by the government of India? Okay, very good. So the right answer will be D. Your passport, PAN, Aadhaar, driving license, voter identity card, and your Narega job card. Very good. So right answer will be option number your D. Okay, next. Ninth question is talking about, one of the following is not required to be reported to FIU. So out of these 5 options, which of the following report is not required to submit to the FIU? First is account open report. Second is cash transaction report. Third is counterfeit currency report. Fourth is suspicious transaction report. Fifth one is cross-border wire transfer report. So out of these 5 reports, which report is not required, है ना, to submit to the FIU? So if I talk about these 2 reports, they should be submitted on every month, है ना, on up to the 15th of succeeding month. This is also for the same duration, 15th of the following month, and this is within the 7 days when you find out the transaction. Okay, but not this one. So our right answer will be account open report. The account open report is not required to be submitted to the FIU IND. Clear? So right answer will be your A option, you can see. Now next question is talking about, as per FIU guidelines, the record of all information on identity of clients are required to be maintained by every reporting entity for a period of dash years from the date of cessation of the relationship with their client. So for how many years that has to be maintained? 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, or 5 years? 1, 2, 3, or 5? Record of all information on identity of the client. So the right answer for this particular question will be your 5. How many years you have to maintain that record? For 5 years you have to maintain that record. Okay, so the right answer will be your 5 years. Now, the next let me know that out of 10 questions, how many answers you have given correct. So out of these 10 questions, how many answers you have given correct? So right now, the 2 batches has been started from the 17th of February. One was English medium, one was bilingual, sorry. And these are the 2 target batches of the JAIIB that has been started, and it will be covering the conceptual classes, the ebooks, and the test series also, है ना? And right now, 81% off is going on. That will be available till 12 PM today only, on both the products. And also in the JAIIB CIB test series, you will be finding the discount by using a code Y496S. Okay, apart from that, there is a 81% discount with the double validity is going on all the Maha packs of the JAIIB CIB. Now, what is Maha pack offering? What is your target batch is offering? The target batch will be offering your conceptual classes, your ebooks, your test series. But the Maha pack will be offering you the in future revision batches, MCQ batches, case study batches, numerical batches, ebooks, test series, everything for the 2 years period. है ना. For the JIB CIB Mahapack, you will get this for the 2 years period. It means after enrolling in the JIB CIB Mahapack, you will be qualifying the JIB as well as CIB. Nothing else you have to do. So by investing like around 10,000 something amount, you will be getting 2 years validity. JIB CIB both will be qualified. Now here you have to pay around 6,500, and with the 6 plus 6 months validity, you will be qualifying the JIB. And here also 6 months 6 plus validity is going on. Okay. So this is what the difference is between the target batches and the Mahapacks. Okay. Now how to enroll? To enroll, you have to go to the application. Just go to the application, and if you haven't downloaded the application, do download it so that 1% additional discount will be given to you. And how to enroll? If you want to go with the target batch, just click on the JIB 2023. If you want to go with the Mahapack, click here. So this is the whole target batches which are available right now. These are the whole target batches. You can see and check the whole target batches are available here. How to enroll? Just click on the particular batch you want to go with. Do read all the details and click on the buy now option. When you click on the buy now option, you have to enter a code here Y496 and click on the apply. You will find here 80% discount is going on. 1% additional discount will be available if you use this particular code on the application. So you can use the coin. Similarly, the same way will be available for the JIB CIB Mahapack. Click on the Mahapack. Do read the whole details. 2 years validity is there. Click on the buy now. Enter a code Y496. Click on the apply. You will find 81% discount here. Okay, and 1% for a 1% discount, you have to go to the application and download from there, and purchase from there. So you will find the coins there. But one more important thing, do remember, this 81% discount plus the double validity is available till 12 PM only. After that, this offer will not be there. And the code to enroll will be Y496. Okay, so this is the information for all of you for today. Now let's end the session here. We will be meeting again at 8 AM. We will be meeting again at 8 AM with the Indian Economy, Indian Financial System Target Series. Now do let me know, those people who are watching the recording sessions, do let me know in the comment section that how much score you got out of the 10. Clear? So let's end the session here. See you all again at the 8 AM on the same channel. So if you are new to the channel of Officers at 24/7, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification be given to you.